This is a situation regarding Bitcoin that you're showing me this morning. So today, I am going to explain to you what's happening, or at least what's going to happen for Bitcoin. I am going to use the Crypto-Quebec indicator, which is available for free on my Discord. The link is in the bio. So we're going to see what's going on. And you need to know that there's a CME gap that isn't complete yet. And normally, we fill it in 99% of the time. And the CME gap is on Montes here, Friday. On this Friday, we actually have a small gap here, around 98,222. Normally, we come to seek it out, people who follow along. So we can see the Crypto-Quebec indicator. These are the links that you see. It's the entirety of what's done. And we come here for the boring. A double top, we go down. Boring. Here, it's the indicator. It's the middle of the channel. Not crossing the middle of the channel, we need a vector. That's exactly what we had. A small bounce to go back down. And we come to reattempt the middle of the channel. Not capable? I'm going to redo this for you. We come to reattempt the middle to cross again. We need a vector to go up. And then it goes down. A vector to cross. Now, this line that you see here, the blue line, is turning blue, so it's becoming a resistance. Boring. You see the new line? This is the new line of the 0.7 indicator. We are bouncing off it. Bounce. Boring. 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 We come up. We are blocked. We are in.
This can be a bounce zone. This talks about smart money concepts. And here, in my opinion, the other areas to watch will be here. And these are profit-taking zones. Why? Well, actually, this isn't the point indicator. The point indicator indicates selling. But for those who don't have it, what will happen is that it will go up. And these are zones where normally there's a pullback. Why? You see here, this makes the zone you see there. You take your profits, like the people on the team, and you re-enter at the bottom. You go up, and you see you capture the wicks that are here. You take your profits, and you go up. You understand? That's the concept of trading. It's to secure your gains all the way up. So you take profits, you wait for the pullback, you re-enter. A good place to re-enter is always either at the middle of the channel or on this white line here. You see, we're going down right now. So if you've taken your profits, like the people on the team, you're looking for an entry. You re-enter when? What gives us the go-ahead? It's the vector candles. So we push down, we come back, go. We take the trade. We arrive at the top, it makes wicks on the other side. So we push down, you see, we take profits, we push down. So we make gains all the way up, and we make sure, obviously with this technique, not to get liquidated. So what I see in the coming hours for Bitcoin, with a T, we're going to go up, bounce here, we'll come back to test the wicks, we'll take profits again, there will be a pullback, maybe on this line here, or this line here. I'm going to draw it for you, actually. Like this. We're going to go up here. Why? Well, we're testing this wick. Okay, so there might be a pullback here. Take profits, and we wait for the next entry. After that, we wait for the vector. We're going to go up here. Why? Well, we're attacking these wicks. It's always how it works. We pull back, or we pull back, or we pull back. Maybe here on these wicks. So like this. And we're